So we're just getting ready for a shoot, guys. Terri and I are just sitting here shooting the good stuff. Not the SHI stuff. The good stuff. And we're just going over what we're going to do today with our videographer. We just had a makeup artist. She just left. And just sitting here looking and thinking about the course of our life and our trip here. And just talking about the life of an entrepreneur.
Yeah. And just being able to come here in Beverly Hills to this hotel, once you have a 5-star experience, you can never go back.
No.
Once the mind is expanded, you can never go back. It's like crazy how the service was here. We've just been like, this is some good service. And I also want to just recommend the person to get that 5-star treatment, you know?
Yeah. Because, like you said, once your mind is expanded, it will not contract, you know? And you're always going to look for things to take you even further to expand your horizons.
Yeah.
And so just coming to Beverly Hills was just another notch in the belt, and it just lets me know that there's so much more to have. Because, you know, being from rural America, Kingstree, South Carolina, one can fall into complacency very easily. And, you know, I constantly have to get out of my familiarity, my comfort zone in order to grow. And so I think, you know, people need to understand that outside of the comfort zone is where you experience growth.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Yeah.
What's up, everybody? Solandia Hammond here, affectionately known as Sueham Baby with Sueham Entertainment here in Beverly Hills. Can we get that sign? Get Terri. Look at Terri right there. Beverly Hills. And we are here, right? Business Explosion. We're promoting salon drama, Sueham Entertainment, Startup Biz Coach, businessexplosion.net, and I am living the life of my dreams. About to go in the RR, you know what that is. So come on, I want to show you guys what I'm going to do today. Let's go. Keep up, keep up, keep up, keep up.